In this video, I am going to show you how to use Photon SOL on Mac. First, ensure that you have downloaded and installed Photon SOL from the official website. Once the installation is complete, open the application on your Mac. Next, you'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you can start a new project by selecting Create New, or by choosing an existing project from your dashboard. Once your project is open, familiarize yourself with the interface. You can access various features such as game object management, network settings, and other tools available in Photon Sol. To set up multiplayer functionality, navigate to the networking settings and configure your project to connect to the Photon cloud or your own Photon server. As you develop your game or application, you can utilize Photon's APIs to implement features like real-time communication, player matchmaking, and data synchronization. Be sure to save your progress regularly. When you're ready to test your project, use the built-in testing tools to simulate connections and gameplay. If you encounter any issues, check the Photon documentation for troubleshooting tips. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.